Here we are at the Blue Baron Truck Mount Factory here in Lecanto, Florida, and we are building pump out systems. We are building everything from scratch, and we're using very high quality parts. We're using stainless. The HydroMaster pump out has all galvanized. I don't know why they even use that, because they get pitted and frosted and they just don't hold up. But we use all stainless fittings, and what will happen is the water will come in from here, from your waste tank, and then it'll come through, and we could put a check valve here. Usually we'll have a check valve here, and then it'll go right to a drain hose and a 1.5 ball valve. This is a macerator pump, which means that everything that comes in, like hairs and carpet hairs and whatnot, is being broken up into fine particles, which means that you don't have to have a filter you have to clean out all the time. So you don't need any inline filter. This is going to do the job for you. So this will do 270 gallons per hour, which equates to 1,022 liters per hour. It has a 6 amp draw, which requires a 10 amp fuse. It's really very nicely built. It's really rugged. It's going to last you a long time. And like I said, these are the pump out systems that we build. There's no middleman involved. We design and build our own accessory lines, and this will be a good addition to any truck mount that you have, or any kind of truck mount Blue Baron purchase that you decided to do. This pump will do the job. This is really nice. So anyways, call us today at 727-505-2989. We've been very busy in this December, the beginning of this December of 2023. And just look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. 727-505-2989 is our number. Call me if you have any questions about anything. We'll help you out along the way and help you get into the best accessory line, truck mount, or heat exchanger, whichever you decide to purchase, to save you money and keep you on the road to making money in this floor care industry. Thank you. Bye.